Hello students, in last lecture we have studied practice set 5.4 of the chapter probability. In that exercise we have solved examples of probability of given events. Some random experiments were given. From these random experiments, some events, the number of elements in those events, and to write the probability of that event by using formula. Now we are going to see problem set 5, in which all types of examples are again repeated. There is revision of all points like random experiment to write sample space, then to write the events and to show the probability of these events. Some different examples are in problem set 5. We will study these examples in detail. First, the question is of multiple choice question. See first example, which number can be represent a probability? Cannot represent probability. Four numbers are given. First, A 2/3, B 1.5, C 15% and D 0.7. Here if we convert 2/3 into decimal, then we will got that 0.66. Then B 1.5, C 15% and D 0.7. Here option B is correct option. 1.5 is greater than 1. Probability is always between 0 to 1. 1.5 is greater than 1. Therefore it cannot represent a probability. B is the correct option. In percentage, the probability in between 0 to 100%. Here option C 15%. It is given in percentage. Therefore it is also probability, but 1.5 cannot represent probability. Therefore option B is correct option. Then second, a die is rolled. Random experiment is a die is rolled. What is the probability that the number appearing on upper face is less than 3? If a die is rolled, then the sample space will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And in those numbers, 1 and 2 are less than 3. Therefore, if we consider this event as A, then A is equal to 1, 2. Total 2 numbers. Therefore, probability will be 2/6. 2/6 means 1/3. Therefore, option B is the correct option. Then third question is, what is the probability of the event that a number chosen from 1 to 100 is a prime number? You must have known that between 0 to 1 to 100 there are 25 prime numbers. Prime numbers, the numbers which are divisible by only their self. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, etc. Total there are 25 prime numbers from 1 to 100. Therefore probability will be 25/100. 25/100, by simplifying we get 1/4. Therefore option C is correct option, 1/4. Then fourth example, there are 40 cards in a bag, each bearing a number from 1 to 40. One card is drawn at random. what is the probability that the card bears a number which is multiple of 5? Sample space will be S is equal to curly bracket 1 2 3 4 dash 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 40, curly bracket complete, and S is equal to 40. Then here event is the card bears the number which is multiple of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 are the numbers divisible by 4 or multiple of 5. Therefore, total there are 8 numbers: 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. 8. If the event is A, then NA is equal to 8 and probability will be 8 upon 40, that is 1 upon 5. A is the correct option. Now fifth question is, if NA is equal to 2, PA is equal to 1 upon 5, then NS is equal to question mark. We know that formula for probability of A, PA is equal to NA upon NS. If we put the values, PA 1 upon 5 is equal to NA 2, and we have to find NS. By cross multiplication, 1 into NS is equal to 2 into 5, that is 10. Therefore, NS, that is number of elements in sample space or sample points, is equal to 10. Therefore, option A is the correct option. In this way, there were 5 questions of MCQ. Now we will see some examples from problem set 5. See second example. Basketball players John, Wasim, Akash were practicing the ball drop in the basket. In the game of basketball, the points or goals are given after dropping the ball into basket. They were practicing the ball drop in the basket. The probabilities of success of John, Wasim and Akash are 4 upon 5, 0.83 and 58% respectively. Who had the greatest probability of success? Here the probability of all three are given in 3 different formats. 4 upon 5 in the numerator, denominator form, fraction form, 0.83 decimal fraction and 58 in percentage. Therefore, we have to convert all in the same form. We will convert these into decimal fraction. The probability of each player is to convert into decimal fraction. Therefore, probability of John is equal to 4 upon 5 is equal to 0.8. 5 8 is 40. Then probability of Wasim is already in the decimal fraction 0.83. Then probability of Akash is equal to 58%, that is 58 upon 100 is equal to 0.58. Here 0.83 greater than 0.8 or 0.80. Greater than 0.58. 0.83 is the probability of success of Wasim. Therefore, the greatest probability of success is of Wasim. We have question, who had the greatest probability of success? Wasim had greatest probability of success. In this way, we can solve these examples. Next, third example. In a hockey team, there are 6 defenders, 4 offenders, and 1 goalie. Total 11 players, 6 defenders, 4 offenders, and 1 goalie. Out of these, 1 player to be selected as captain. Find the probability that the selection that 1, the goalie will be selected, and second, the defender will be selected as captain. We will solve this example. Total 11 players. Therefore, S is equal to S sample space. In sample space, there will be 6 defenders, 4 offenders, 1 goalie. Therefore, NS is equal to 11. Now, let A be the event that the goalie will be selected as captain. Therefore, A is equal to, there is only 1 goalie. Therefore, NA is equal to 1. Then we have to find probability. Therefore, PA is equal to NA upon NS. Therefore, PA is equal to 1 upon 11. Probability of goalie to be selected as captain is 1 upon 11. Now, second, let B be the event that the defender will be selected as captain. Therefore, B is equal to, there are 6 defenders. Therefore, we can write 6 defenders. Therefore, NB is equal to 6, and probability of event B, that is defenders is selected as captain, is equal to NB upon NS is equal to 6 upon 11. Therefore, probability of event B is equal to 6 upon 11. A fourth example is simple. You can solve it easily. Now we will take Fifth example is a balloon vendor has 2 red, 3 blue and 4 green balloons. 3 colored balloons are there. He wants to choose one of them at random to give it to Pranali. He has to give one balloon to Pranali. What is the probability of the event that the Pranali gets a red ball, second a blue ball and a green ball? Here we have to consider the notations for these balls and to write sample space first, number of sample points, then given 3 events and their probability. Here there are 2 red balls. Let 2 red balloons be R1, R2, 3 blue balloons are there, 3 blue balloons as B1, B2, B3, capital B. Then there are 4 green balloons, 4 green balloons as G1, G2, G3, G4. Therefore, sample space S will be R1, R2, B1, B2, B3, G1, G2, G3, G4. And S will be 2 plus 3, 5 plus 4, 9. Total there are 9 balloons. Therefore, NS is equal to 9. Now, first event is the ball selected for Pranali is red ball. Let A be the event that Pranali gets a red ball. Therefore, A is equal to curly bracket R1, R2 and A is equal to 2. There are 2 elements. Therefore, probability of event A, that is probability of the ball which gets Pranali is red ball, is equal to NA upon NS is equal to 2 upon 9. Then second, or in word we can write, therefore the probability that Pranali gets red ball is 2 upon 9. Then second, let B be the event that Pranali gets blue ball. Therefore, B is equal to, here there are 3 blue balls, B1, B2, B3, therefore NB is equal to 3, PB is equal to NB upon NS is equal to 3 upon 9 is equal to 1 upon 3. Therefore probability that Pranali gets blue balloon is 1 upon 3. Balloons are given there. Here in two places we use word ball. It is balloon. Now third, let C be the event that Pranali gets green balloon therefore C is equal to, there are 4 green balloons denoted by G1, G2, G3, G4. Therefore NC is equal to 4. Therefore probability of event C is equal to NC upon NS is equal to 4 upon 9. That is probability that Pranali gets green balloon is 4 upon 9. Sixth example is also same as fifth example. Here there were balloons given, and in next example there are pens, 5 red pens, 8 blue pens and 3 green pens. Therefore notations will be same, R1 R2 up to R5, blue pens B1 B2 up to B8, and 3 green pens means G1 G2 G3. Similar example you can solve it easily in homework. Now we will see 7th example. Here 7th example is 6 faces of die are shown below. On the 6 faces there are numbers A, B, C, D, E, A. Generally 1 to 6 numbers are given on the 6 faces of die, but here they are denoted by alphabets A, B, C, D, E, and again 1 is A. If the die is rolled once, find the probability that first A appears on the upper face and second D appears on the upper face. Here the random experiment is the die is rolled. Therefore sample face S is equal to, here on the all faces of die there are alphabets A, B, C, D, E and again A. Therefore NS is equal to 6. Then the first event, let the event A, let A be the event that A appears on the upper face. Therefore A is equal to, there are 2A on two faces, therefore NA is equal to 2, and probability of this event will be PA is equal to NA upon NS, that is 2 upon 6, that is 1 upon 3. Therefore probability of event A, that is of A to appear on the upper face is 1 upon 3. Second, let B be the event that D appears on the upper face. Therefore B is equal to, here among among 6 faces, only one face that containing D, therefore B is equal to D. Therefore NB is equal to 1 and PB is equal to NB upon NS, that is 1 upon 6. Therefore probability that D appears on the upper face is 1 upon 6. Here we have solved examples up to example number 7. Next examples we will see in the next lecture. Solve all these solved examples in this lecture, and the examples which we have not solved in your homework, and send the photocopy of your homework on our WhatsApp group. Thank you.